Aspen Trail has the most dynamic range of floor plan options to fit any camping style. With more standard features than its competitors and a focus on quality, value, and design, Aspen Trail delivers the best RV in its class. At Dutchmen, we're all about more. Starting with more space to get around the RV with an impressive 82-inch of interior height, so even your tallest family members won't need to worry about where they walk. All the thrill of getting away combined with premium space and traditional comforts. That's what a true residential 60 by 80-inch queen-sized bed brings to adventures in our Aspen Trail travel trailers. Forget RV kitchens of the past. With the seamless countertops and sink covers in these travel trailers, you'll have more than enough room to get around, cook up a storm, and serve the whole family a meal they'll remember. With a fully enclosed underbelly, all your RV's vital functions are kept out of the elements, which helps to ensure that critical lines don't freeze and that unforeseen bumps don't damage sensitive systems. Plus, this extra layer of protection means you can travel further into the year. Check out all our Aspen Trail products here at Sutton RV. At Sutton RV, you're gonna like it here.